Stress of the holidays got you down. You're just exhausted and plain wore out. You need a little relaxation, some time for you. Well, what I've got to show you today might help with that. ALLJOY reached out to me, asked if I wanted to do an unboxing video of one of their massagers. And I, of course, said yes, because last year when I got the heated neck blanket thing, I loved it. And I'm really looking forward to having it again this winter. But can you tell I carry a lot of my stress in my neck and shoulders? Yes. So let's unbox this and see what it's like together. A 3D rotating shiatsu neck and shoulder massager. Yes, thank you. Deep kneading, auto on and off, 3 speeds, and heat therapy. I'm all about the heat therapy. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting this. So when I open the package, it actually comes in, look here. It has its own leather case or pleather. It's a bag. It has its own bag with the company name. How cool is that? So it can easily travel with you. Maybe you're going to see family this year. Take it with you. It's got the user manual and all kinds of information in here. Wow, guys, now I know why you can really travel with it. Check this out, a cigarette lighter cord. So you absolutely can take this in the car with you when you're traveling. I'm loving this. You know, I've been doing all these vendor shows. How wonderful after a long day would it be to have one of these as I fall asleep and hubby drives us home? I think that will be great. And then for here in the house, we have just your regular outlet cord. It's all packaged up nice so you know it stayed clean. Because you know, when things get delivered on these dusty roads, you always worry about what's inside there. And here it is. Look at that. It's got a zipper here so you can get in and get maybe even a deeper massage, just my guess. Maybe for easy cleaning, because that's just kind of like a little extra padding. And this is what I'm really excited about. Let's connect this and give it a try. So it's an easy, quick connect. I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to put this baby to use. Here on my right side, I'm going to turn on the power. I don't know if you can see this, but the light has turned on to the heat and it's massaging. You can change the heat settings to on and off. You can rotate it, stop rotating, rotate the other way. And then the speed can go slow, medium, and fast. The thing I was most excited about is this. You can move it, to get the spots that are bothering you the most. Lower back or upper back, lower neck, head, whatever ails you, wherever your aches and pains are, move it around to help you feel better. Well, friends, I need to get back. I am in the kitchen. I am cooking today, and I need to get back to that. But when this came in the mail, I instantly wanted to open it up and try it out and share with all of you. If this is something you want more information about, be sure to check down below in my description box. And of course, there'll be a discount code just for you. It's a mystery code. Go check it out, guys. I know you're going to love this. I already do. Bye for now, and we'll see you next time at the Inquisitive Farmwife. And that's nice.